Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the baby version of Dart from Stranger Things. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the top of his head. So there's not a lot of detail, it's just basically one big curve. So here's the tip of his mouth right here. I'm just going to curve up. And then we'll come across. And then curve it down, so this is going to be the top of the skull, I guess. Alright, and then for his mouth, from this point here, let's draw one little curve coming down first. Okay, and then come back down here. I'm going to draw the lower, I guess his lower lip. It's going to curve all the way down, just follow that. Follow the same curve and just give it a little bit of a spacing there. Okay, and then the bottom here, just come down and then follow that curve, and we'll just stop right around there first. And we'll finish up the curve here later, but we need to draw in his arms first. So right here, if you come across to this point right here, just come across. That's gonna be where his arm's gonna be. So I'm just gonna draw a curve coming down first. So right here, this is gonna be the elbow. I'm just gonna slant down. I know it's a little bit strange with this curve just kind of floating, but I guess this way is a little bit easier to draw this. So this is gonna be the bottom. I'm just gonna come across. Okay, so once we have the bottom line, let's draw in the top line here. So come right around here, come down, and just come into the elbow right here. So this is a little fold. And then now for, I guess, this lower arm, just come down. And then for his fingers, for his claws, just kind of curve it down, and we'll just leave it like that. Alright, so not a lot of details, but a little bit tricky to draw because it's just kind of floating out in nowhere. So once we've drawn this, now we can finish up the head right here. So for this curve, just come down, just tuck it right behind the arms. Alright, so let's continue on with the body. And we're going to draw the bottom first. This is going to be his tummy. So from here, just draw one curve coming over. And then now we got to draw in his hind legs. So right around here, just slant in like this first. Come back out to right around here. And then come all the way across. So this is going to be the bottom of the foot. From here, just go up. Okay, so once we have this little hook right here, we can finish up the leg on the top. So from here, I'm just going to curve up. And then round it off here. Come back down and just connect that. So that's going to be his hind legs. I know it's a little bit strange. Very strange looking character. Alright, so once we have this, now let's go ahead and finish up the bottom right here. Just gonna draw one little curve, and then from here it's gonna be his little tail on the back. So let's go up and finish up the upper part of the body first. So on the top here, just gonna give it a couple of bumps. So 1, 2, and then from here just one big one, curve it all the way down. Okay, so that's his body right here, and now to finish up the tail, I'm going to start on the bottom first. Just curve it, and then here's the floor. So this is going to be flat. Okay, and then on the top area right here, slight curve. And then just kind of curve it, close it off, just round everything off. So that's the whole shape of the body, and now let's add in some details to make it look a little bit cooler. So right around here, I'm going to draw one big curve. So start right behind the arm, curve, and then on this part here, just meet up to this edge right here on his leg. So just curve it right into the leg. And then we'll continue that on the back here. Just kind of curve it down. So it makes it look like there's a like a slab of meat right here, right over the legs. And in here we can add a little bit more detail. And on his legs we can add in some lines like this. And I think on his tail as well, so I'm just gonna add a couple of these lines. And that is it for this version of Dart. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.